Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a video on this beautiful hair from Luvme Hair. So Luvme Hair sent me over this wig and I'm just going to show you how I installed it, how I styled it, all the good stuff, and if you want to see that, just keep on watching.
First off, I want to say that Luvme Hair has the best packaging I have seen, hands down. This box is beautiful, and they even sent in a lovely note, and look at the contents. So they sent in this care package, which includes like a nice hairband where I'm going to use to lay my hair down. I'm not necessarily going to need it for this hair in particular, but I think this is just what comes with everything. So they basically just send you every single thing that you're going to need to customize your wig, and I love that. I love that. Like, what other company is doing this? And the best thing yet, it comes with a whole straightener. Like, what the hell? You're getting a wig and you're getting literally everything you need, and a straightener, a wig cap, leaflets on how to take care of the hair. It's amazing. I love it. So the wig itself comes inside this cute purple pouch. I'm just pulling it out for you and showing you what that looks like. It's really long. I love the texture of the hair. It's very soft to the touch as well, and like it doesn't get any tangling. So far I've been wearing it for quite a few for a week, and I don't get any shedding, no tangling, nothing. I love it. So it comes with this little band to kind of keep the shape of the wig, and you get like these clips, not just normal combs, you get clip combs that help you secure the wig onto your head. So now that that is all said and done, it's time to try on the wig, and it fits perfectly, and I'm just trying to make sure I get it into a right placement and see how it fits on my head, and luckily enough it did fit quite well. So all that's left to do now is cut off that little band and just fit it onto my head. So this is my first time wearing a U-part wig, and I will admit that I think I left a bit too much hair out, and in future I'll leave less hair out so that I can blend a little bit better, because my hair is natural Afro kinky hair, so I shouldn't have left so much hair out, especially since my hair is not exactly the longest, so it didn't blend in as well as I would have liked it to, but obviously that was just my fault. So in order to get the hair to blend a little bit better with the wig, I need to put some heat on it. And before that, I would like to put some heat protection on it just to make sure that I reduce the damage as much as I can. So I'm just working that through the hair. And then to straighten it, I straightened it into 3 sections. So I parted it into 3 little sections so that it could be easier for me to straighten it without having to pass too many times. So just combing it out. It's a bit rough, but it didn't hurt, so I just straightened it with 1 pass or 1 or 2 passes just to make sure that it is as flat as can be. So after this was done, I went ahead to go and do my makeup. I have a video on the makeup I did. I'll put that in a card above. And now I'm just spraying some heat protectant on the wig itself. I put a different kind of heat protectant on this just so that it can curl a bit better, because I felt like if it's wet, it will curl a bit better. And I didn't want to put that same one on my natural hair, just because obviously that would undo the work I've already done. By straightening it, it would revert back to its curly nature. So this hairstyle that I'm trying out right now was inspired by Alyssa Forever. She used to always curl her hair this way, and it turned out so beautiful all the time. So I've always been itching to get my hands on some kinky straight hair so I can replicate the style. And yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm just twisting the hair onto the barrel so it can have that cute ringlet kind of shape, that pigtail kind of shape. I love that curl. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just twisting it onto the barrel, and I'm holding it for like 30 seconds. I would advise you either watch a show or you get on FaceTime with your friends as you're doing this, because it can take a bit of time. It took me like 20 minutes, but for the first half I was like watching Queen of the South. I'm actually loving that show right now. If anybody else is watching it, let me know. And for the second half I was on the phone with my friends, so I was literally just like enjoying myself while I was doing this. Like, you kind of forget that you're doing something because you have something to keep you company. But if you're doing it alone, you'll get so tired. One thing I really love about this hair is the density, and this is not adjustable density. This is the standard density that it comes in. It's 250 grams, and because it's that kinky straight hair, it just looks so full and so big, and I love me some big hair. And this hair is priced at $211 for 22 inches, which is what I have on right now. So as you can see, I attempted to curl my hair to try and blend it into the weave, but like my hair is just, it has a mind of its own and it's its own master. So don't try and tell my hair what to do because it won't listen. So it just started poofing up and curling back up, and I was just like, my days, like so annoying. But I found a way to style it in a way that would not affect, I don't know, the final result. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I am on the phone to my friend at this point, so I'm just keeping myself entertained because you need to, because with things like this, they can be really tedious. So when you're just like taking your mind off it, it just makes the job a lot easier. It makes the load a lot lighter. So the hair came out just exactly how I liked it. The curls were perfect. And now to style it, what I did was put a lot of edge control on my natural hair and just brushed it back, because what I wanted to do was pin it down so it has, I don't know, I was going for like a Diana Ross-esque look. So I just pinned it back and I'm really happy with the way it looks. I wish I did add some like, you know, designs to my edges, but I don't know, I've been styling my hair and doing my makeup for a while, so I was not interested. So I tried to curl my hair again just to get it to blend. I don't know about that one because it just wasn't cooperating the way I liked it to, but oh well. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I've been wearing this unit for like a week and I'm really enjoying it. U-parts are so versatile. I really like the fact that it looks more natural. You don't have to worry about people looking at your lace. Does it look like scalp or not? You don't have to worry about getting glue in your edges. You don't have to worry about all the things you actually have to worry about when you're wearing lace fronts. So it made my life a hell of a lot easier. But I have learned how to work with U-parts during this time as well, because as I said, this was my first time installing one, so I did make a few rookie mistakes. So this is the end result. Oh my gosh, I love this hair. I feel like an African princess. I feel like I look so cute, if I do say so myself. I love it. I love the density of it, even though it was a nightmare to curl because it took forever because there's so much hair, but it's so beautiful. It's worth it, trust me. I love it. The looks,
But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, you gained something from it, and if you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I would love to see you in the next one.